I was cleaning and inspecting some parts here for the Dodge NV4500. This is a Syncro hub, and this one has 4 struts. It's the only one in the transmission that is like this, and the other ones have 3 struts. And these are easier to put together, like to get those struts in together with that spring. So here's another example. So that strut has a taper to it, and what I was doing is I would compress the spring with a screwdriver and then slip that strut in behind, and then release, and it would stay there. So, and here's give you kind of an idea how that functions. So, but this one had me a little stumped for a while, and because these struts, they're so small, and so there's nothing to hold them in place. Like, I can't just compress the spring with a screwdriver and then slip it in behind, because it won't stay there. So I tried. I thought maybe I'd use a wire to kind of tie them together, but now I'm using some tie wraps. So I've got one complete here, and I'll go ahead and I'll put the other ones together. So what I'm doing, stand it up like this, put the spring in, put that strut on, kind of compress it together and tie it together with the tie wraps. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other 3, and then I'll see how this is going to work to put this shift fork slider on here. So initially I was just going to use one tie wrap for each strut, but then I discovered that the tie wrap then would interfere with one of the teeth here. So then I used 2 tie wraps, and then even those had to be spaced a little bit particular, because, well, I'll show you. It seems to fit now. So that you can see there's one tooth on either side, and then one in the middle. So now it slips in there. Okay, see if I got this the right way. I marked them which way was up. There's up mark here and here, so that's correct. Yeah, so I can go ahead and cut those off now.